following counties in Ohio: Butler, Clinton, and Warren. From 5 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight, multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms will move through the region late this afternoon and into tonight. 2 to 4 inches of rain will be possible across a large portion of the watch area with localized higher amounts. Rain will begin to taper off late tonight. In addition, runoff from the heavy rainfall will lead to rises on area rivers, which may push some locations into flood. People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. Avoid low-lying areas and be careful when approaching highway dips and underpasses.